Welcome to New Tech Hub. Today we're going to compare two new speakers, which is Wonderboom 2 from Ultimate Ears, and you have JBL Charge 4. So we're going to test audio, clarity and the volume. I have done an unboxing video for each of them. If you want to, I'll leave a link below. Check it out. And they both are waterproof. This is around £60, this is around £100. 13 hours of battery, you have 24 hours of battery. So let's connect it to Charge 4. That is the low volume. That is the medium.
Prince Street, August 14th, a Soho bar, a speakeasy. It's you and me and I'm feeling free. It's crazy how everyone lives out like Top Gun. It's you and it's a cloudy night.
On the Wonderboom 2.
August 14th, a Soho bar, a speakeasy. It's you and me and I'm feeling free. It's crazy how everyone lives out like Top Gun. It's you and it's a cloudy night to smoke one. Oh, things happen when you move to the city.
Now we have the chance to listen to both of them. My opinion, Wonderboom 2 will be the best one. The way I looked at it is this. One is the price, second the size, third is the quality, and fourth is the volume. So first of all, it is under £100 and it's quite small if you're comparing it to half the size. With the full volume, it is same volume. Ultimate Ears will be the best one comparing with the JBL. JBL, it will be good if you... The price is the main thing to make the decision. Is it worth it paying £100 or £64, or can I pay the £64 and still get the £100 quality? I think Ultimate Ears actually provided that you don't pay quite a lot, you're paying and you're still getting a quality of £100 speaker. If you are looking for a small speaker, Ultimate Wonderboom 2 will be your choice, and JBL if you want to leave it in your house and already have quite a lot of space in your travel bags to carry around with you. They're quite bulky though. The good thing is about the JBL that you can take phone calls. Wonderboom 2, you can't take phone calls. There is a limitation on that. If you are interested in one of these speakers, I'll leave a link below for Amazon and check that out. Click the subscribe button and let me know how it can improve or what products you would like to see next. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.